Hey everybody, today we're going to show you how to get this guy. It is super easy. I'm telling you, it is super easy. So let's just, first of all, let's go to our backpack. I found it out from this game. Type in black bat. I found out the scratch cat right over here. Let me show. Let me show you what it looks. What the story is. Look, it's a scratch cat there. Um, so all you had to do is put it in your backpack. It's super easy. It turns out you can actually get both costumes. If you want to do that, then you delete this one, take this, delete this, and copy an I. Control C. Control V is the best way. Just move it like over there. Okay. There you go. You put it in your backpack. Put the whole spread in the backpack. You should put it in. Okay, so that's how you get it. Bye. This might have been it might have been a little bit easy. Some scratchers might have had known this is a backpack. It's popular if you want to put anything in it. Like I put in like some stuff. The enemy sprite, the sound sprite, Mario, all types of different Marios. Not all, but that's how you do it.